Hello, travel lovers! Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey through India, a land bursting with vibrant culture, stunning landmarks, and unforgettable experiences. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First, let's talk about the culture. India is a colorful tapestry of traditions, festivals, and rituals. From the lively dances of Bollywood to the serene chants of temples, every corner of India introduces you to a new facet of its rich heritage. Imagine strolling through bustling markets where the air is filled with the aroma of spices and your eyes feast on a riot of colors from traditional saris to intricate handicrafts. Now, onto the landmarks. India's landmarks are world-renowned for their architectural brilliance. You've probably heard of the Taj Mahal, but that's just the beginning. Explore the ancient ruins of Hampi, the majestic palaces of Rajasthan, and the sacred Ghats of Varanasi. Each place tells a story steeped in history and magnificence. And the food. Indian cuisine is a symphony of flavors. Think buttery naans, spicy curries, and sweet treats like gulab jamun. Whether you're a street food fan or prefer fine dining, the food scene here is a gastronomic adventure. Don't miss out on a thali meal. It's like a mini feast on a plate. Fun events are a staple in India. Join in the exuberance of Holi, the festival of colors, or the grandeur of Diwali, the festival of lights. There's always something happening, from the camel fairs of Pushkar to the film festivals of Goa. Every event is a celebration of life. Indian hospitality is legendary. From luxury hotels with world-class amenities to charming homestays that offer a glimpse into local life, you'll feel welcomed everywhere you go. The warmth and friendliness of the people make your stay even more memorable. Let's not forget the people. Indians are known for their warm and welcoming nature. You'll make friends easily, whether you're navigating the busy streets of Mumbai or sipping chai in a quiet village. The diversity you'll encounter is incredible. Every region has its own unique customs and stories to share. For history buffs, India's historical places are a treasure trove. Visit the ancient city of Varanasi, the temples of Khajuraho, or the forts of Jaipur. Each site is a chapter from India's rich past, waiting to be discovered. Getting around is easier than ever, thanks to a range of airlines and modern infrastructure. Domestic flights connect all major cities, making it convenient to explore multiple destinations on your trip. And with luxurious trains like the Palace on Wheels, your journey itself becomes an experience to cherish. So, are you ready to immerse yourself in the magic of India? Pack your bags and embark on an adventure that promises to be as diverse as it is vibrant. Until next time, keep exploring the world beyond borders. Thanks for watching.